Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter 13, worksheet 2. Okay, it's third question we are going to do today. In question number 3, this figure is given to you and line this is the line segment XZ. Okay, here Y is the center point of this XZ. It is already given that L is the line of symmetry of XY and M is the line of symmetry of line segment YZ. Okay, and this is also given that XA is 4 centimeter and YZ is equal to 6 centimeter. Now you have to find AY, YB and whole XZ, length of line segment XZ. This you have to find. From here we will start. Given L is the line of symmetry of XY. L is the line of symmetry of XY. It means this line of symmetry, this L is dividing XY into two equal parts. It means XA is equal to AY. We can write XA is already given 4 centimeter. It means AY is also 4 centimeter. Because both are equal, we will write this. We will write reason here. And AY is equal to 4 centimeter we will write. Clear? Now we will find the length of XY. We know that XY, this XY is the sum of XA plus AY. We will add these two. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Clear? XZ is 8 centimeter. XY is 8 centimeter. Now it is also given that M is the line of symmetry of YZ. It means M is dividing YZ into two equal parts, which are YB and BZ. Here we will write. Now given that M is the line of symmetry of YZ, YZ is already given 6 centimeter. See, YZ is 6 centimeter, then this is equal to this because this is the line of symmetry. This is equal to this is 6, then it is 3 and 3. Clear? Both are equal. YB is equal to BZ. This is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter. This also, this is the answer. It is also asked. Okay. One question is also asked. You have to find the length of XZ. XZ I told that we will add XY plus YZ. XY we already find here 8 centimeter and YZ already given. We will add these two. We will get the answer XZ is equal to 14 centimeter. Okay. Question number 6 is, in this question one isosceles triangle is given to you. This figure is given to you and angle ABC, this angle is given to you. Okay, you have to find this angle. This angle you have to find, and OB you have to find. Clear? And this, it is also given that AO is the line of symmetry of this BC. Okay, isosceles, firstly we will write this. Given isosceles triangle, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. We know that isosceles triangles are those triangles which have two sides equal. Okay, where these two sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. These two sides are equal. It is already given. Angle ABC is equal to 40 degree and OB is given 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Now in first part, A part, we will solve first. In triangle AOB, this triangle we will take. AOB is in this triangle. This is 40 degree. This is 40 degree and angle AOB, it is given that AO is the line of symmetry of BC. It means this line of symmetry is making 90 degree angle with this BC. Okay, we can write it. Angle AOB is 90 degree. Here we will give the reason. because line of symmetry AO makes 90 degree on BC. This is 90 by angle sum property. See, this is the triangle. This is the triangle. Okay, and by using angle sum property, we can find this angle. Here, you know already angle sum property. After adding these two angles, we can find third angle, angle BAO is equal to 50 degree. This is the answer. Now B part, as AO is the line of symmetry on BC. We know that line of symmetry divides the line segment into two equal parts. BO is equal to OC. Okay, it is given OB is 4.5 centimeter. It means this is equal to this. When it is 4.5, then it is also 4.5 centimeter. Clear? OC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. And reason is also asked. You can write because AO is the line of symmetry on BC. Yeah, in this way. Question number 7 is, construct an equilateral triangle ABC, find all its lines of symmetry. Okay, firstly you will construct an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle you will construct, then find its lines of symmetry. Wait, here I already drawn this triangle. Okay, but I am going to tell how to draw in rough. I am going to tell. Firstly, you will draw a line segment of any length. Then you measure this length from here to here. Okay, cut an arc from here and another arc from here. Okay, okay, join this. Now this is an equilateral triangle. Now you will draw a line of symmetry from every angle. You will draw this like this. Okay, of any length, diameter, radius. You open the compass and cut an arc like this. Okay, whenever you will construct equilateral triangle of larger lengths, then you can draw it neatly in this way. From here also, like this, you will construct line of symmetry. From here also, whenever you will construct, then all these lines will meet at a point. Okay, in this way you can do this. Clear? Okay, thank you.